We're going to kick this off with an update to a case that we talked about a few weeks ago regarding Taylor Swift. So she got a response from the college student to whom she sent a cease and desist letter for tracking her private jet on Instagram. So Jack Sweeney took to Twitter, X, and posted a 2-page letter he sent to Taylor claiming he did absolutely nothing wrong by showing her flight path to the world. He wrote that there's no law that supports her cease and desist except for stalking, which does not apply since Sweeney has never made a credible threat against Taylor. So the attorney pointed out that Sweeney merely uploaded publicly available data from the Federal Aviation Administration to track Taylor's plane's movements. And that pretty much echoes what you said a few weeks ago, that, Taylor doesn't really have a leg to stand on in this case since this is public information.
Yeah, Christina, that's exactly what I said, and I'm not surprised that the lawyers said the exact same thing. We all love Taylor Swift, and I know that she has had some stalking incidents that she's dealt with, but really, there's no claim here. Her lawyers fired off a letter, and that's what lawyers do, but I'm not surprised that the response was what it is. This is public information, so there's nothing that she can do.
Right. So there's really no way forward in this. Will Taylor make a move now that she has received this letter?
I don't think so, because this has already gotten some bad publicity for her. Right. And, I think this was more of a strongly worded letter than a lawsuit or anything like that. And, she did talk about stalking, but it's really a bridge too far to say that, posting publicly available information or compiling it or tweeting about it or X or other social media, it's just not enough. And really, they talked about stalking in my home state of California, but really, you're talking about someone that lives in Florida, another person that lives in Tennessee and New York. So I'm not even sure those California statutes would apply.
Right. Yeah. Like we said before, I think this was more of a scare tactic on Taylor's end, and doesn't seem to have worked.
Not at all. And we know, Elon Musk did something similar with this individual. And I get it. It's annoying. It's frustrating, but it's not legally actionable. And, the letter said that we trust that this will end the matter. And this is the end of it. And I fully expect that this is probably the last we'll hear about it. I don't expect Taylor to file a lawsuit over this because it would be a loser.